Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side and remove everything inside. Next, carefully detach the small dampener arm located on the right side of the glove box. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its retaining clips, allowing it to swing down further. With the glove box down, you will see the cabin air filter housing. Unclip the 2 or 3 retaining clips on the housing cover and remove it. Carefully slide out the old, often dirty, cabin air filter. Pay attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Briefly check the housing for any large debris. Now take your new cabin air filter. Make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Gently slide the fresh filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Replace the housing cover, ensuring all clips snap firmly into place. A secure fit prevents air from bypassing the filter. To finish, lift the glove box and press its sides inward again to guide it back into position. Reconnect the dampener arm to the glove box, ensuring it's securely attached. Finally, put all your items back into the glove box. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter and can now enjoy much cleaner air inside your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.